Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Today we are exploring how to use the Edge Crypto Wallet in 2025, a user-friendly mobile wallet that supports multiple currencies. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crypto enthusiast, this guide will help you set up and navigate your wallet with ease. Step 1. Download and install the app. First, head to your device's App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for Edge Wallet and install it. Once installed, open the app to begin creating your account. Step 2. Create your account. When you launch the app for the first time, you will be prompted to create an account. Choose a unique username and a strong password. Make sure to jot this down in a safe place. You'll also set up a 4-digit PIN for added security. Remember, your username and password are crucial for accessing your wallet across devices. Setup 3. Backup your data. After setting up your account, don't forget to back up your data. Edge offers an easy backup process that allows you to restore your wallet using just your username and password. No complicated seed phrase needed. This feature is especially handy if you lose access to your device. Step 4. Add cryptocurrencies. Now it's time to add cryptocurrencies. On the main wallets page app, tap the symbol next to my wallets. You can select from various supported coins or including ERC20 tokens. Simply tap on the cryptocurrency you want to add and it will be integrated into your wallet. Step 5. Transfer funds. To receive funds, navigate to your wallet and hit the request button. This will generate your wallet address and a QR code. Share this with anyone sending you crypto. Sending funds is just as easy. Tap send, enter the recipient's address and confirm. Step 6. Buy cryptocurrency. If you're looking to buy a crypto directly through Edge, press the buy button and home screen. Select your country and preferred payment method. Options include bank transfers and credit cards. Follow the prompts to complete your purchases. With these simple steps, you are now equipped to use Edge Crypto Wallet effectively. Remember to keep your credentials secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Dive into cryptocurrency with confidence and enjoy managing your digital assets with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tips.